ई अध्यापक आपका स्वागत करता है।
Hello children, so today I am going to teach you the topic increasing and decreasing order. So let's get started. Increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order from smallest to biggest. This means that first you have to write the smallest number, then you have to write the biggest number. Decreasing order from biggest to smallest. This means that you have to first write the biggest number and then you have to write the smallest number. Increasing order is also called ascending order. Decreasing order is also called descending order. Example 1. Arrange in increasing order. This means ascending order. 82, 194 and 136. First we have to write the smallest number, which is 82, then write the smaller of the remaining two numbers, 82 and 136. In these two numbers, 136 is the smallest. Write the biggest number last, which is 194. So the answer is 82, then 136, then 194. Example 2. Arrange in descending order. 146, 99 and 185. First we have to write the biggest number, which is 185. Then we have to write the bigger of the remaining two numbers. The remaining two numbers are 99 and 146. So 146 is the biggest one. So after 185 it will be 146. And at the last you have to write the smallest number, which is 99. So your answer will be 185, 146 and 99. Exercise 11. 1. Arrange in ascending order. A. 38, 159 and 136. First you have to write the smallest number, then you have to write the smallest number from the last remaining two digits, and which is 136, and then you have to write at last the biggest number, which is 159. So your answer is 38, 136 and 159. B. 167, 162 and 126. Your answer is 126, 162 and 167. C. 136, 74 and 90. 74, 90 and 136. D. 184, 181 and 182. 181, 182 and then 184. 2. Arrange in descending order. A. 57, 112 and 62. First you have to write the biggest number, which is 112. Then you have to write the biggest number between the remaining digits, which is 62 and 57. The biggest one is 62. So next is 62 and then the smallest one, which is 57. So answer is 112, 62 and 57. B. 182, 108 and 180. 182, 180 and 108. C. 110, 77 and 140. 140, 110 and 77. D. 166, 152 and 165. 166, 165 and 152. Next topic is odd and even numbers. You have shoes in pairs. Pairs means two shoes together. Count the number of shoes each child has. Ring them in pairs means you have to circle the pair together. Write yes if pair can be formed. Write no if pair cannot be formed. Name Mohit. Shoes, only one shoe is there. Number of shoes 1. Can pairs be formed? No, because there are no 2 shoes here. Next name is Radha. 2 shoes. Number of shoes 2. Can pairs be formed? Yes, because there are 2 shoes. Next is Aslam. 1, 2, 3. 3 shoes. The pair can be formed? No, because two shoes are there, but this shoe doesn't have one more shoe. Harinder. 2 shoes and 2 shoes. 2 plus 2, 4. So the pairs can be formed because here also 2 are there and here also 2 are there. Ganga. 2 and 2, 4 and 1 more, 5. Number of shoes is 5. Can pairs be formed? No, because this one has a pair, this one has a pair, this doesn't have a pair. Nancy. 2 and 2 and 2, which is 6. The pairs can be formed? Yes, because every shoe has its pair, 2, 2 and 2. Asim. 2, 2, 2, 1. Number of shoes is 7. The pairs can be formed? No, because here 2 shoes are there, here 2 shoes are there, here 2 shoes are there, but here is only 1 shoe. Sanjay. 2, 2, 2, 2, which is number of shoes is 8. And pairs can be formed? Yes, because here 2 are there, here 2 are there, here 2 are there, and here 2 are. Purnima. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 1 more, which is 9. The pairs can be formed? No, because this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 2 and this one has 2, but this one doesn't have. Naseem. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, which is 10. And the pairs can be formed? Yes, because this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 2. Numbers that can be put into pairs are called even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers. Even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their ones place. 30, 12, 34, 56 and 78 are even numbers. This means the numbers which have 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in their ones place, they are called even numbers. Numbers that cannot be put into pairs are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place. 21, 43, 65, 57 and 89 are odd numbers. This means that the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. So let's get into the exercise. Exercise 12. 1. Circle the even numbers. In this box we have the numbers 14, 67, 78, 99, 10, 32, 54, 9, 11, 20, 21 and 15. In this row we have the even numbers 14 because this has the number 4 in the ones place. 67 is not because it has 7 in the ones place, which is odd number. This one is even, odd, even, even. Even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd. Second one, circle the odd numbers. Odd, even, odd, odd, even, even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd, even, even.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।